Okay, my name is Bill Jarrett, and this is, hello baby, this is MCTS Guide to Microsoft Windows Server 2008 Active Directory Configuration, and we're going to be doing Activity 5-14, which is using LDIFDE to create a user. Now, in previous exercises, I showed you how to use, in our administrative tools, the Active Directory users and computers, how to create them manually using a wizard, and then we showed you how to do it on the command line as well, and how to use CSV to do it. Now I'm going to show you another one. I prefer this method over the CSVDE method because it's simpler to understand. Again, you do a text file just like your last one, and I'll go ahead and show you one. Open. Second. We go to computer, and there is our user file. I want to open that with Notepad. As you can see, that there are several elements: DN, the change type, object class. It's much easier to understand. The SAM account name and user principal name. All of them are defined very simply and easily. So you see, you simply create your file just like this, and then you'd save it with an LDF extension someplace on your local machine. In this case, I just threw it on my C drive. Now all we have to do to add a new username to test OU, we want to add a user 3, which is what we put in our LDF file. So all I have to do is come down here and click on my run, my command line, and then type in a series of simple commands. First one is we need to point it to the correct directory. So we go to our C drive, which is where our file is, and we type in LDIFDE -I-F and the name of the file, which is LDF user LDF, and hit enter. And as you see, it created a whole new entry. Now that means that when I click on the refresh button, it should show under test OU, user 3 should appear. Ta-da, there it is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now I'm going to show you one last thing. If you look in the properties of this object, we can see that nothing is in here yet. But we could actually, you see right here where it says user3@williamrjarrett.com. If you remember correctly, that in the LDF file, that was one of the names that we told it to, one of the values that we asked it to pass into here. So you see it did actually successfully pass that value in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.